Hi, this video I'm going to show you how I build a corner cabinet for kitchen base cabinets for Lazy Susan. Here you can see I'm going to cut the notch for the bases of the cabinets. I've got the rip fence set to one dimension on one side, and then I've got the squaring fence set to the identical dimension on the other side, so I could do it in basically 2 easy steps rather than have to set up the fence all over again. Here you can see I've angled the squaring fence to 45 degrees so I can basically cut the back corner off, which makes install a heck of a lot easier when dealing with walls that aren't always square. Now you can see me setting up here for a bevel cut on my back corner piece. So I like to use a straight edge or something to sort of hold things in place and keep them nice and tight while I make these types of cuts. Next I want to cut my stretchers, and since they intersect, I like to use a bridal joint. So here you can see me using a dado stack, and basically I'll get one defined end, then I'll get the other defined end, and then I'll just chew out the middle. Now I'm going to assemble everything. You can pretty much skip to the end if you don't want to sit through this. I just left it up. But I also want to say, you know, this is just my way of making a corner cabinet. There are many different ways to investigate doing this, but some guys asked me to share this, so I did. And either enjoy the rest of the video or skip right to the end. Thank you. This little web here serves no other structural purpose. It's just a place for me to mount the hardware for the Lazy Susan. There you have it.